Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how you can design your business profile slide in just a few minutes using Canva. It's really simple. Canva is an easy-to-use platform where you can create all kinds of graphics like social media posts, banners, logos, and more. So let's get started. First, make sure you've logged into your Canva account. On the left side, you will see the option to create after that, search for Business Profile, and press Enter. You'll see different sizes available. I want to create it in landscape. After that, you'll see many different business profile design options. You can choose the one that best fits your company's needs. For example, my company could be digital marketing, so I'll choose this template, for example. Once you click it, it opens on the page and everything is editable. If you want to change the company name or the text, just double-click on the text and simply type it. All right. If you want to change the color of the text, click on the text and here are the color options. There are various color choices and I'm going to select the orange one, for example. If you want to change the font, just go here where you'll find the font options. Click on it and select your preferred font. If you want to change the text size, you can just drag it to adjust. To center the text, there is a center option, center middle. Everything is here. If you want to undo an action, there's an option. Just click on it to undo. If you want to redo, there's another option for that as well. So, in just a few basic steps, you can create a professional business profile for your brand. Now, let's export our design. To download your business profile, go to the option on the top right corner and click on it. You'll see the download option and you'll see the suggested file type. If you want to export in other formats, click on it and you'll see various export file options. This is a business profile and I want it as a PNG file, so I'll download this one. After that, you can see that I've created my business profile in just a few minutes. In this way, you can easily design your business profile in a very simple way and within a few minutes, and it looks professional. So we've learned how to create a business profile. That's it. If you have any confusion about Canva, just comment below and I'll reply. If you want to suggest a video, comment as well, and we'll create content on that topic too. Thank you! And at the end, just support us and subscribe. Thank you! Just support us and subscribe. Thank you!